What is going on, everyone? Can you see the excitement on my face? It's not just about this brand new swag. If you haven't seen it yet, check out the link below. Help support an artist who helps you create better video content. But I am happy about something totally different. As you can see, I backed up a little bit. I had to set up all this. I've held on to it as long as physically possible, and now it's finally time. Here we go. What's in the box? Have you not looked at the thumbnail or read the title of this video yet? It's the new DJI Air 2s, and we're about to unbox it together. Let's go. All right, here we go. I'm going to waste no time. Let's get right into it. First, let's open this box. As you can see, I've got camera 1, and today I've got camera 2 for you, so that way we can check out everything as I open it, as you see it. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to open this up real quick, and I bought a lot of the extras. That I basically bought every extra that comes with it because I figured, why not? Let's just go ahead and do it. So, first thing, boom. Reach in here, pull this guy out, and the Air 2 itself, and throw that box on off to the side because we're not going to need it. So, comes with, this is everything I got. I got the Air 2s. Here's the box right here. I got the shade for the screen because I hate being in a bright sunny area and I can't see what's going on. I got the prop guards just in case I ever need to fly it inside, and I got a new memory card because why not? You can never really have enough, right? All right, now I'm going to kind of transfer over to top view, and I'm going to wipe a lot of this stuff out because I'm sure you don't care about the insides of this as I barely do. Let's get right into the heart of the matter. Boom, here it is. Nice, clean, brand new, wrapped in shiny plastic. Let's get into opening it. It looks like it opens from the back right here. So it has a nice slide top if I had to guess. I also got the Fly More pack, if that matters. So I'm sure it's probably a little bit bigger than if you got just the drone itself, but I prefer to have multiple batteries. Once again, plastic. We don't really need it. And right here, there we go. Nice and centered for you. All right, and here we go. Open up the top. Voila. It's packaged very nicely. Throw the top box over here. Seems like we have right here is the drone and everything. On the bottom, there's this nice little accessories pack. We'll get into this in a moment. Put the other part of the box over here again. And let's go ahead and open up. Let's see what this says. Whole bunch of gibberish. Open this guy on up so we can pull out what's on the inside. An accessories pack. A secondary accessories pack. There's 2 in there, huh? Controller. This is, I'm not quite sure what yet. And the most important part, the drone itself. It comes in this little foam pad. I wonder if you're supposed to put this foam pad on every time you go walking around and use it, or if you're carrying it in the bag. That could become quite annoying, but who knows? The bag itself seems okay. I mean, it's nothing fancy, nothing to write home about. I'll probably end up getting some sort of waterproof case like a Pelican or equivalent for it, just because I feel safer with my drones that way, and it's nicer to carry around and put in and out of my truck and kind of throw around wherever I want. Soft bags like this usually become kind of a problem for me unless I'm doing some sort of outdoor activities, so I'll doubt I'll actually use this very much, but it is nice that it kind of came with it just in case I ever do need it. Now, as I said, this little foam pad. Let's open up all of these little packages as well to figure out what's inside. Multi-charging port. And we already know that this one is the controller. That's not obvious yet. Voila. Now, let's see how it compares to some of the other controllers. Well, first of all, it seems it has no antenna part, which is kind of interesting. That's kind of cool. So it's got normal, cine mode, and sport. So I'm going to assume that means if cine mode is maybe like tripod mode, that would be incredible if there was a switch right here on it for tripod mode for real estate photography or videography. I use it all the time, but it's such a pain to turn on and off on the drones that I currently use. Let's see what else is in here. I bet in the accessories pack are probably the little nubs for this and all the batteries. Let's see, we've got battery 1, foam container, battery 2, cord, random stuff. So I've got 2 batteries. This box I can throw to the back again. We'll put all these foam things over here because we're not going to need them for now. And open up the batteries. Battery 1. And battery 2. What is this little guy? We got one more little thing over here. I'm not quite sure what it is yet, but it looks like maybe the travel. I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's like the travel part or the travel charger, should I say. It's got 2 little USB ports on the side and what looks like to be the charger for the battery. Let's see. Goes like this. So that charges like that. There we go. And you can just, this must be the on-the-go charger if I had to guess. So put this back, set that guy right there. So this is everything that comes in the package. What is in this? Got one more little accessories pack. Let me open this guy up for you. Some more paperwork. These are all the props for it. Some cables. Let's see what this is. Everything's wrapped in this nice little plastic coating. Lots and lots of plastic. Aha, see, this is the Fly More kit. These are the ND filters for it. Very glad I got this. One thing I noticed about this drone, even though it has the 1-inch sensor, one thing it doesn't have is a veritable aperture. So I made sure to go ahead and spend the few extra bucks to get the ND set so I can compensate for that, because that's one thing on my drone I use currently and I use it a lot. So having these will be very nice. Here are the little nublets for this guy right here. Screw them on in. 1 and 2. All right, more cords. These are all props for it, and it looks like there are a few extra props. So there we go. That is everything that comes in the DJI. Here we go. That is everything that comes in the DJI Air2s Fly More pack. Here it all is right in front of you, minus packaging. Here's the drone itself. I'm going to unfold it just so I can check it out. Oh, hold on. I see one thing already. Fold these guys out first, because if not, these won't fold out properly, it looks. So they all have these little foam parts on top of the props, and I'm guessing that is to keep everything nice and neat. It sits, let's move this guy out of here, like so. There's the 3rd battery is already in it, so I have all 3 batteries from the pack. It looks as though, so the bottom feet are right here, so it doesn't set on these, it sets right there. I noticed that. There we go. It seems like they are color-coded, which is nice. I will check these out right here. You can see the black ones go to the black ones, the orange ones go to the orange ones. We'll go ahead and open these up and put it together so you can see what it looks like, and so can I. We've got orange, black, and one more black over here, black. So I'm going to assume these all work just like all the other DJI props in the line. You put black to black, set it down in the hole, and give it a twist. I always give it a little double spin after I check it in the little thing just to make sure. The very first Phantom 4 we ever had, this was not done while one of the props were being installed. And since you got to take those on and off every time, it becomes kind of a pain in the butt. So it got up in the air and halfway up and it got around like, I don't know, 100 feet in the air. One of the props flew off and the drone plummeted to the ground. And that was that. I believe that was even before the DJI Refresh Care. Or it could have been we were too cheap to buy the DJI Refresh Care. Either of those are a possibility. Either way, one more and we've got this thing all put together. And just like that, it should be ready to fly. Here we go. It's got all these little stickers on it for little random things. How do you take this one off? Let's see. Take the sticker off the bottom first. And that will allow you to access this. There we go. Then we got to take these stickers off the gimbal, like so. It depends on if you're a sticker person. I like to take all these things off personally because I feel like they might throw off the weight of the gimbal. Especially for something so little. Like you don't think about it, but they're flapping around in the wind. They're not very aerodynamic. It can move the gimbal around on you. So just go ahead and get them off. Some people will say, oh, I leave them on there because it protects things. But it has the little tabs sticking out. It makes things worse. Trust me, just get rid of it. It will alter your footage in one way or another, whether you recognize it or not. More trash. Throw all this stuff over here. Charger we don't really need right now, or the cords, or any of these guys. Here's the little hood. More stickers. Look at it. It's slick. It looks like the Mavic Pro. 1-inch sensor. Look at it. It looks very nice. That's it. I just wanted to do my unboxing with you. I just got this thing. I'm super excited about it. In the next few days, I'll be doing a review about how this thing stacks up to a few other drones that I fly right now, mainly the Phantom 4 Pro and the Autel Evo 8K. We're going to do a heads-up comparison with all of those so you can see the live footage and see how they compare if you're thinking about getting a drone for your next real estate gig. So come back. As I always say, if you like the information I presented and you liked watching me unbox this for no reason at all, press the like button, mash the subscribe button, and I'll be posting the video I originally had planned for day in the next few days, so be on the lookout for that as well. Check y'all later. Woo, let's go fly.